EverPath is a brand new toolpath technology in Mastercam, designed from the ground up to forever change how you create, refine, and understand your toolpath motion. The EverPath UI organizes toolpath creation into a color-coded, clear, top-down workflow, so users can focus on results, not jumping between parameters. One interface across all motion types, flexible, clean results. Toolpath creation in EverPath is fast, visual, and flexible. Choose a cut pattern, refine motion, and see results updated live. Reduce your time to toolpath faster with constant, often instant calculations that deliver results and close the feedback loop faster than ever. Fine-tune motion in real time with the Toolpath Editor. Edit new or existing legacy toolpaths directly without starting over. Edit history is intelligently retained and selection tools and editing capabilities giving you every line of code just as you envisioned. The all-new Intelligent User Assistance System provides in-context guidance with tooltips, visuals, and next step suggestions that update as you work. EverPath accelerates beginners into confident experts faster than ever and gives experts the tools to turn the perfect motion they imagine into instant reality. Best part? If you're a maintained user on Mastercam Connect, EverPath is already yours, free. Download it today.